Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome to this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Wednesday, September the 16th. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. The first tectonic, the second tectonic, a binary, number 1, and a second binary. Total of 8 Sudokus. Yes, a lot of Sudokus to solve today. This one will be the first one, Sudoku with 1 star, number 1540. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers because you have then an indication of the difficulty level. The 1 star is always 27. Let me check if this is correct. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 5 is 11, plus 2 is 13, plus 3 is 16, plus 4 is 20, 24. Plus 2 is 26, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 27. Correct. So, let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I use? How about the number? The number. Let me see. In this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. The 1 and the 4 in this column. So no 1 and the 4 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then Then we go to let me see. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then 6, 7, 9. How about the 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then in this middle column, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9, we have the 2 and the 9 in this big square, so no 2 and the 9 in these 2 boxes, so the 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then the other 2 missing numbers in the middle column are the numbers 1 and the 8. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And we have a pair here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so in the second row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. Same with the 8s. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. So it's a pair. 8 and a 1, let me mark them. That means 1 digit left in this row for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 3 goes there. Then. How about the number 2 in this row? A2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Digit number 1. Then. How about the number 1 in this row? A1 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are: the 3 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. The 3 and the 6, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 6 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 6 goes there. Then A6 in this row. A6 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so in the column between. The only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Digit number 2. Then 2 numbers left in the third row for the number 7 and 3. 7 and 3, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 5. 7 and 5, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. Let me see. How about these 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 5? We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 numbers? 5 and 7. 5 and 7. No. Need to wait. This is a 1, yes. Here, 1. How about the 4 in this row? 4 in that row, so in the middle row, the only two places for the 4 should be here. Oh, there we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. These two numbers in the middle row for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and no, we have an 8 here. 7 and 9. 7 and 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5. Now we have a 5 here. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 8 and 1. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3. No, it's not a 7. I made a mistake. We have a 7 already. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. This must be a 3, yes. So 2 boxes left, the 9 and the 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Almost made a mistake. And the final two numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes, alright. Great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon in a minute with the second Sudoku. A 2-star Sudoku. See you soon. Bye bye for now.